Hi everyone, my name's Angie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a meal prep video for the keto diet. I'm going to be making some food ahead of time for the week just so that it's ready and it'll make the week easier for me. And I have a list of things written out that I'm going to try to do today, and I'll see how far I can get on it. But if that's something you're interested in, then let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I already have the chocolate chip cookie dough made, and it's a recipe that I've already shown on my channel. The chocolate chip cookies by the Diet Chef. So I've already got the dough made, and I'll have all the recipes linked in the description below. So I'm just going to start getting them on the sheets. Get these started baking. Which when I do the Diet Chef's chocolate chip cookie recipe, I always chop up some pecans and put them in the cookies because I really like the pecans in it. So you can add, you even bake. I think I've made them using white chocolate chips and macadamia nuts before. You could even use peanut butter instead of regular butter and do a peanut butter chocolate chip. So I'm not sure how big he makes his cookies, but I get more cookies out of the recipe than he does. So the carbs there's going to be less carbs, of course, if you're making more cookies. I'm going to wash the bowl and start on my sausage balls. Put my sausage balls on this one and my bacon on this one. Usually just use parchment paper on the pans just because they help absorb some of the grease. So for this recipe, we're going to need 2 cups of almond flour. You're going to need 2 cups of, it says shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using this cheese blend. 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then a pound of the pork sausage. What I'll need. 8 ounces of the cream cheese that's been softened. You'll need some minced garlic. Just start mixing this up. So I've tried a few different keto sausage ball recipes, and my favorite is the one that has the cream cheese in it. So it's 2 cups of the almond flour, and I'll leave all these recipes in the description. Teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Teaspoons of baking powder. Of the cream cheese. It's been sitting out, so it's room temperature. Then 2 cloves of garlic. cookies are done, so I'm gonna pull those out. Cookies are done, they're gonna cool. I need to set the oven to 400. Just mixing the sausage balls up. This looks mixed well, so I'm gonna go ahead and start forming sausage balls. The small scoop because it measures it out for you. There's 24 on that one. So it looks like we're gonna get 50 out of this. Let's stick these in the oven. Bake for 8 minutes. So I'm gonna thaw out some ground beef for some taco meat that I'm gonna make for taco salads, and some ground beef for dinner tonight. Start getting some eggs soft boiled because for breakfast and also for like a snack, we like having soft boiled eggs in the fridge. And my favorite way of doing eggs is in my pressure cooker, just because they come out perfect whenever I do them in here. Okay, so I'm gonna do 9 eggs, and also if I want to do egg salad or tuna salad during the week, they'll already be ready and it'll be easy to do. So I just use my little tray thing that comes with the pressure cooker. Put the eggs on it, and then I put 1 cup of water in here. And then I just push the button until it gets to where it says egg maker. And I just leave it, and that's 4 minutes. And I know all the pressure cookers I've seen have had an egg select button, and then they'll come out like perfectly when they're done. So, okay, we're gonna set this to the side. So I've got my taco meat. One little tip is if you're dividing up meat, if you're buying it in bulk, if you put a pound of it, or however many pounds in a big enough bag, you can flatten it out, and then it thaws out a lot quicker. Plus it's easier to stack up. It doesn't take up as much space in the freezer when you do it that way. Okay, so we're gonna start cooking our taco meat. And I always make my own taco seasoning, which there's all kinds of recipes out there. I'm sure there's one on Pinterest. I use one out of my Simply Keto cookbook. I'm gonna take out the sausages and twist them and put them back in for 8 more minutes. Why I like prepping ahead is because, you know, even though I'm not working outside the home, it's nice to have a clean kitchen and not have to like clean your kitchen and then have another meal to make and then clean your kitchen and have another meal to make. you get a lot of it done at once. You're not cleaning your kitchen over and over again. You know, it just cuts down on time and how much you're having to wash everything. Come over here to my taco meat. I put in 3 tablespoons of seasoning. And a little bit of water. Let that cool down. Usually goes in for 20 minutes. 20 minutes on 400. This is one I've not made yet, but it's a Keto Cheeseburger Casserole. And this one calls for ground beef, onion, salt, pepper, garlic, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and cheese. And I've seen it where some people will put, everything's going off at one time. Some people will put pickles on top of it. Okay, so this sits in the ice bath for 5 minutes. I'm gonna start making the ground beef for dinner tonight. It looks like the beef is done, so I'm gonna drain the grease off. I'm only gonna use 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I've learned to start out with less salt because I've had to throw away 2 recipes before because I went by the recipe and it was way too salty. This is a 1/2 teaspoon, so 2 of those. And then pepper. Looks like I need to get more pepper. I always get the stick mayonnaise because there's no sugar in it. I've tried the avocado mayonnaise. I'm just not really crazy about it. But I know a lot of people like it. I use the Healthy Garden. Tablespoon of mustard. One cup of cheddar. Get my dish ready. I'll sprinkle the rest of the cheese over the top of it. So I got the lettuce shredded, I've got a pack of bacon cooked, soft-boiled eggs, I got the cheeseburger casserole done, taco meat, sausage balls for the week, and some chocolate chip cookies. So it's a small meal prep, but there's only 2 of us, so that'll be helpful during the week. So everyone, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my meal prep video. I hope it gave you new low carb ideas for the week and just gave you some inspiration for your own meal prep ideas. And if you found this video helpful or informational at all, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this kind of video, please leave me a comment and let me know. I had fun today and I hope you really enjoyed it. I'll be back later this week for more new recipes. Thanks for being here. Bye.